In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy your chart layout and watch list from one TradingView account to another step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, log into your main TradingView account, the one that already has your charts and watch list set up. Open your chart and look at the top right corner. Then click on the menu and enable the sharing option. Once sharing is turned on, copy the chart link and save it somewhere like a notes app so you don't lose it. Next, go to your watch list on the right side, find the share option, enable it and copy that link as well. Save this link along with your chart link. Now, log out of your first account and sign into your second TradingView account. Open a new tab, paste your chart link and load it. Once it opens, click on the copy or save option and give your layout a name. This will save the chart layout to your new account. After that, paste your watch list link into another tab and follow the same process to import it into your new account. That's it. Now you know how to copy chart layouts and watch lists between TradingView accounts. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.